Welcome to the 7th episode, guys. In this episode, we're going to attack the top of the top ball with an 18-degree cut. Let's get started.
All right, guys, the teaming of the cue ball is going into the top of the one ball. I'm lined up with 6/8. I'm going to hit this with a dead center ball, guys. Dead center. No English. Full stroke.
Guys, I'm going to slow motion the break shot whenever possible. It shows the dispersion of the rack based on the thickness of hit, which is kind of critical for the opening break shot. Let's go ahead and see how I attack the rest of the rack.
Okay, I'm going to play the 1 and the 12. Looks like I'm going to break with the 14 ball. So I'm going to leave an angle on the 10 to get to the 14. It came up a little short, but I think I can force it up. Play the 14. 13 is insurance. Okay, got a lot done, but I still have some work ahead of me here. The 15-2 is really a problem. I'm going to go into the 9, try to hit the 15-2 and have the 8 ball as insurance. Yeah, solved one of the problems but tied up another. Let's get rid of the 13. Go into the 15. Make the 15 a little better. For the 7 and the 4. I'm going to try to leave a pretty thick angle on the 2 to go into the 11-5. This is a very challenging shot. Not sure if I'll execute it, but if I get good on this 2 ball, I can solve my problem.
Alright guys, after way too much deliberation, I decided that I could play position on the 11 and get out that way. So let's see how I progress from here.
This doesn't go easily, guys. I'm going to see if I can make it work. I'm going to try to push the 5 and not have it hit the 15. You can be a little more towards the center here and still have a good shot instead of more on this side. So I'm going to try to get a little more towards the center. Okay, it's actually pretty good.
Okay, pool fans, thanks for watching the 7th episode. It was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did put a bonus episode up last week with Thorsten Holman and myself running some balls in straight pool via Scotch doubles. Please check that out as well. Guys, on the side note, there is a YouTube channel called TheBilliardists that has some content on it. It has Alex running some runs and some other things. Please check that out at your earliest convenience. And I'll see you at the next angle. Thanks for watching and sharing. Talk to you soon.